Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Samson, the roadman, and today's video we are actually going to check out the zoo. The zoo, guys. So we're gonna see some animals. So this is basically here at the agricultural and commercial show right here in Lusaka, Zambia. So I've seen a poster here which says zoo. Okay, but let's get there and see what sort of animals do they have here. So if you're new to my channel, kindly consider subscribing, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I do post a new video, you guys shouldn't miss any single of my upload. My name is Samson, the roadman. Let's go. Alright guys, so let's get to the zoo and see what they have. Okay. Alright guys, so a lot of people are actually getting there. But let's go and check out. So this is like a mini Mundawanga. Like I actually did a video about a certain zoo here in Zambia which is called Mundawanga, which simply means my field, or should I say, yeah, this is an animal sanctuary actually. It is located in Chilanga, right on the southern part of Lusaka. But here at the ongoing agricultural and commercial show, they've brought a few animals just for people from all walks of life just to come and see the animals right here. So yeah, this is the video for today. So let's get in and see what they have for us here. Let's go. Alright, so I'm simply walking in just to see what is here. Okay. You can't trust me. Zero. That's a 7, huh? 077.
No, there's nothing. Oh, yes.
Okay. 097.
I gave you pens in the morning. What if you bring my bag?
96.
Okay, same. Thank you. Okay, so this got paid 15 kwacha. Okay guys, so we're in. There's some big birds. This is the eagle. This one. It's very big. Yeah, it's a very good one.
Actually vouchers.
Let's see.
It's true, Mama, you are right. Here, step voucher. Yeah? Look at it.
Some vouchers here, guys. So that's a Cape voucher. And you can see here.
It's a voucher.
Sleeping. Wow.
The peacock.
Yeah, the peacock. Peacock. You see, guys, very colorful bird. Look at it. Very nice, very beautiful. Take a look. It's cool. And here they've got some porcupines. Porcupines. And there also a few tortoises. You can see one in the corner there. Nga, no kazizi. Hey, kazizi wa mfinzi. That's an boy. Nice. You see from here.
Wewe wanaimba ni kazizi, ni kazizi.
Okay. It's an boy. Kazizi. Okay, guys. So you see like scores of people coming here to view some things. Oh, this one here. It's a very rare animal here. Okay. Let's check out the chimpanzee. Oh, this is a chakma baboon. Not a chimpanzee. Wow. Okay. Very nice. Let's see the other ones. You see here. Yeah. Let's see. Velvet monkey. Okay, so these are the velvet monkeys here. See this guy here. It's velvet monkey. That's a type of a monkey which is in there. I see some details there. Interesting. Alright, so it's good to see some ostrich. Let's get oh, these are oh. Oh, look on the beach, look at it on the beach. So that's the black ostrich. Don't touch it. See, these are very tall birds. You see here. Okay, alright guys, so you see here. Then let's check out.
They will use the skin for drums.
It's also white meat. It's white.
Ah, interesting. Okay, let's see a zebra. A zebra here. zebra. Let me see this from here. Okay, let's see some other animals as well. This is nice. And, see from here. So they've been put together with these ostrich. There you can see.
A female.
It's a baby.
It's a female.
Which one is a female?
This one.
Oh, okay.
Because the female. Yes.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay. Very nice. Alright, so let's check out the other pot. What do they have this side? I think the big cards are here. Okay. Okay guys, so you can see there are 2 lions here. Let's see. It's a male lion there.
But
Man Hendrix.
no, you know what? No. Stand up, we wait.
You see how he's looking at me here. Very quiet. This is all the people here going nice. Okay, so guys, we're able to see at least one of the big fives here at the ongoing agricultural and commercial show.
It's very friendly.
Hello. Okay. Alright guys, so we have seen at least one of the big fives here. That's the lions. Okay, cool. Let's see what else is this if at all there's more things on the other side. Okay, let's check out. Oh, that's the exit there. So that means, guys, we have actually. Okay, let's see on the other side. There are more things to see, to feel. Okay, but you can see like people are enjoying. You know, like people are enjoying. You see? This is cool. This is nice. Alright. There's this small guy here. Sleeping. Cool. Alright, so guys, tell me what you think about this sanctuary over here. It's purely, this is basically for the show goers. The main sanctuary is actually in Chilanga. Okay, so they've brought a few animals here for people from the city to actually come and view them from within the agricultural and commercial shop. So yeah, let me know what you think about it. Which one is your favorite? Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming through to the channel. My name is Samson, the Roadman. I'll see you in the next one. Okay, it's a beautiful day today, and I've enjoyed the tour of all the activities that are taking place right here at the ongoing agricultural and commercial show. So until next time, my name is Samson, the Roadman. Bye bye for now.